All right, I'm Jamie Lima with Moonshine Harley Davidson and Moonshine Horsepower. And in front of me is a brand new 2024 Lowrider ST. And we're gonna do a video of one of our Moonshine Horsepower MHP 485 cam Stage 2 build on it. The reason I wanna go over this is we try to always have these in stock, ready to rip in the dealership. We're gonna go through the process of us assembling the bike, doing the build, the dyno, with the end result. So whether you're shopping in town here because you live locally, or you're trying to buy one of these built from us because we take care of the package in our builds and you're gonna fly in and want a demo ride, we try to always have one on the floor because 120 horsepower plus Lowrider ST is a beast out of the box.
This is exactly what I want it.
Yeah.
So this is one of our sales floor Stage 2 builds. We keep these in stock all the time. So if you want a Moonshine Stage 2 and you don't want to wait, call our sales department. And Alan here is a master installer. I'm surprised he's not done with this yet. He's been here for 30 minutes.
Take a look at everything and make sure it's okay.
Alan's about to put the exhaust on this Stage 2 build. Something really small that's important, check out this gasket. This is our exhaust gasket. We keep these in stock. They're special Cometic gaskets for exhaust. Some other exhausts come with their own gaskets. We take those out and we rerun these. The reason we do it is when it's paired up to the pipe, it's not impeding on the port. Sometimes we get exhaust gaskets where the exhaust gasket is thicker and it's blocking your airflow out of the engine. Why put a really nice high performance exhaust on the bike to have your gasket sacrifice performance? So just the little things that make a difference. We have these on all of our builds. Another secret weapon for our Stage 2 builds is the Harley Davidson 64mm intake manifold and the 64mm throttle body. On the M8, because there's 4 intake valves, it wants a bigger plenum. It wants more volume in the manifold and the throttle body. We see a lot of comments, oh, you're gonna lose torque. Not on a 4-valve setup. So a 4-valve head wants more air. We've yet to put a bigger throttle body or intake manifold on that flows more than the one we had before and lose power. We've done nothing but gain. So when we do our Stage 2 builds, this is the setup we go with. Sometimes we go one step further and we swap this to our ported 66mm. But this build, to keep the price down, we're gonna do the factory setup from Harley. So we're gonna take off the stock composite one, which is your 55mm setup, and go to the whole 64mm. These little turns in that manifold right here help the air turn the corner. So when we choose the manifold, we want the one with the wings in the corners.
You've got to get the spirit of the animal. The blood. This is how I go fast.
You and Patrick Swayze can keep that.
The blood of the animal. Here, now hand it back.
Thank you.
That's where speed comes from.
If you're looking for a build or would like to get in contact with us, the easiest way to do it is to go to our website. Type in moonshineharley.com. Once again, moonshineharley.com. Go to our homepage. On the homepage, there's tabs at the top of the screen. The one in the middle says Performance Shop. When you highlight Performance Shop, a drop-down will pop up. Click on the Moonshine Horsepower button. Basically, what we need to know is how to contact you. You need to fill out your name, your phone number, and then the bike. The more info you put on here, the more prepared we are when we call you. Your current engine, current parts on the bike, because we want to know what we can continue to use in the build you're looking for, or if you need everything. What parts are going to be friendly to the build you're looking for. And then building goals, what are you looking for? What do you want us to accomplish with your bike? Put it in there. Also put the time frame, first available, you're 3-4 months out. Let us know how quickly you would like us to get to your build. And then hit that submit button. Someone from our horsepower team will call you back. So it'll either be Aaron, Nick, myself, Jamie, or maybe MVO, Michael Van Orden. One of us four will call you back. Our schedule is Tuesday through Saturday. All the horsepower guys, Tuesday through Saturday. The shop is open 7 days a week. And typically when you fill one of these out, it can be anywhere from 30 minutes to 48 hours to get back in contact with you. But we will. We appreciate the support. Please, if you haven't already, go to the subscribe button, click that guy. Also, you might want to click on the bell for notifications. Lets you know when we have a live event coming up on YouTube. Also lets you know when we're about to drop a brand new video. We appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for all the support. Have a good one.